Why does your scanner show the P2470 engine code? What does it mean? P2470 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, low bank 1 sensor 4. The P2470 engine code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module (PCM) sets this code when the voltage signal returning from the number 4 exhaust sensor drops lower than the manufacturer's specified range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGT sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, poor electrical connection, exhaust leaks, clogged DPF or excessive soot buildup. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, and Kia. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.